Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Ease a donut into the heated oil with a long handle slotted spoon, taking care not to let the oil spatter. Fry the donuts, 2 or 3 at a time, in the oil 2 to 3 minutes or until they are golden brown, turning once. 10 March 2020.
Take our lead.
Good candidates include vegetable, safflower, sunflower, soy, some kinds of canola, and some kinds of grapeseed. Usually, the label will tell you if the oil's suitable for frying. Don't fill the pot with more than about 2 inches of oil. When you add the donuts, the level of the oil will rise. 20 November 2014.
Let's help you make your mark.
Canola oil. So, what is the best oil for frying your donuts? Any oil with a neutral flavor will work best for frying donuts. Canola oil and sunflower oil are neutral oils that are readily available and very cost-effective. We recommend using canola oil because of its light color, mild flavor, and high smoke point. 11 August 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.